How to use promo codes on Etihad Airways. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in etihadairways.com and then search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the official website, at the top right, you will see the icon. Click on that. Then provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you will land to this kind of page. Now go ahead and book a flight. First up, you can select whether you want round trip, multi-city or one-way ticket. Then select passenger number and the cabin class. Then go ahead and select the departure and the arrival airport. After you provide all the details for the flight, over here you will find this section of promo code. Now from here you can easily redeem the promo code. Just go ahead and type in your promo code and then click on search flight. With that, different flight options will appear. Select the flight that you want to book and go through the booking process. With that, the entered promo code will be redeemed and you'll get discount in your flight. So this way you can easily use promo codes on Etihad Airways. That's the wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.